Hello everybody, welcome back to Dr. Hanadana channel. I hope that you are all doing very well. Now, if you remember, lately we have seen that actually there is much more to the meaning of a word than its definition in a dictionary, than its referent and or than its mental representation, as we could see in our last video. Therefore, there should be something that's able to account for the visual and or the non-visual aspect of a word. A modified version of the image theory we discussed in our last video is proposed by Said in his semantics. It entails hypothesizing, and I'm quoting John Said by the way here, it entails hypothesizing that the sense of some words, while mental, is not visual. It's a more abstract element of a word. It's concept. The definition of the term concept in a dictionary, in Oxford Dictionary actually, is an idea or a principle that is connected to something, that is connected with something. And you can see between parentheses the word abstract. So what we're dealing with is actually here abstract entities. In this way, a concept might be able to contain or to account for the non-visual features which make a chair, which makes loyalty, and which makes a cat. Now, do you think a concept always corresponds to a single word? Well, some concepts are lexicalized. How are they lexicalized? What makes a concept become lexical item? The answer is utility, suggested by John Said. Let's take this as an example. Let's suppose that someone has come to you and told you the following atoms. We are designing a long glow jug for serving or pouring sauce at a meal, and this jug looks like this. By the way, let's suppose that this jug has not been known yet, okay? Now, at the beginning, people would start using the description to refer to this jug, to this thing. They would start using the long glow jug for serving or pouring sauce at a meal to refer to this thing. But after a while, this thing becomes labeled as a sauce boat. Of course, by virtue of its shape as well as its function. So once people replace the description, the long linguistic description, with the lexical term sauce boat, we say that the concept has been lexicalized. Now, what makes, we need to bear in mind before we start talking about the features, we need to bear in mind that actually sometimes concepts can be expressed by phrases or by a linguistic description. They're not all the time lexicalized. Concepts are not all the time lexicalized. Now, let's move to our next point, which is what makes a concept a concept? What makes a dog? Of course. What makes a cat? What makes, for example, a chair? Well, a number of features or conditions joined together. A concept like, for example, man, and this example is actually the most commonly used one. A concept like man, for example, must contain the necessary information or features or even conditions to decide whether something in the word is a man or not. This information takes the form of characteristics, or John Said puts it attributes actually. Now, X is a man if and only if X is human, X is adult, and X is male. These features are often written between squared brackets, just like this. Now, these features can be used to reveal some lexical relations, by the way, and we will be looking at lexical relations in our coming session. But let's take the following as examples. Now, the term man, M-A-N, okay, has the following features: human, adult, and male, as we could see. The term bachelor, for example, has these 4 features: human, adult, male, and unmarried. Now, since the features of the term bachelor includes all the features of man, human, adult, and male, we say that bachelor is a hyponym of man. Bachelor is a hyponym of man, and the relation between man and bachelor is hyponymy. Of course, in addition to these 3 shared features, human, adult, and male, bachelor enjoys a 4th feature that makes it differ from man, which is unmarried. These features can also be used with the plus or minus signs. Man plus human plus adult plus male. Bachelor plus human plus adult plus male minus married. Now, such form we call it binary. So here we are. These are called binary features. Actually, they are referred to as binary features. Now, binary features can be used to reveal the relation of opposition when it comes to examples like the following. A woman is a woman if a woman is plus human plus adult plus female. A man is a man if the man is plus human plus adult minus female. Now, woman and man share almost the same characteristics or features, except for one contradictory feature, which is plus female minus female. So, binary features can be used to reveal the relationship of opposition between lexical items. Now, analyzing, or the features that we have here are known as semantic components of a concept, and analyzing or identifying concepts by their components or by their features is known as the componential analysis. This is the end of today's session. I hope that you find it useful and interesting. Next session, we will be discussing the lexical relations. For those who are interested, today's references are the following. Okay, thank you for listening and watching this video. See you soon, stay safe, and goodbye for now.